It would be fun if we could all run the marathon or all walk the marathon, right?
Oh, it's just the one that we didn't do for the marathon. And that was my choice. We were leaving Delta West anyways, and I just didn't want multiple reasons. It was your birthday right on the day of the marathon, and I wanted to spend it at the Pandas because the Pandas were new.
Yeah, and then we were leaving Delta West, so why didn't you want me to go?
Sorry?
Why didn't you want me to go because we were leaving Delta West?
Oh, because I didn't want to raise money for Delta West when we were leaving, and you wouldn't get to see any benefits of the funding that we raised. Is really the main reason that I chose not to go. But second was that it was your birthday, your actual birthday, and I wanted to go to
Not just my birthday weekend, like it was my actual birthday.
Yeah. And I wanted to go to the Pandas.